Replacing the air filter for the 2018 to 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid is an easy job which can be done in a matter of minutes and requires no tools. Before you begin, be sure your car is parked safely and turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter element for the 2-liter 4-cylinder in the Honda Accord Hybrid is located at the top and rear of the engine near the firewall. Replacing the filter begins by removing the 2 metal clips on either side of the air filter box and then gently lifting it up. Pulling it from the intake hose, the top cover can be completely removed and laid aside and out of the way, being sure not to pull too hard on the connecting wire. Lifting the filter element from the box is easy as there's a tab on the side that allows you to lift it up. Replacing the filter element is done by simply reversing the order of the previous tasks. Be sure to seat the intake pipe into the rubber hose and seat the cover properly over the filter box base before reattaching the 2 metal clips. That's it. You're done.